Today, apps are everywhere. They connect us, entertain us, and make our lives easier. Want to order food with a tap? There's an app for that. Want to learn a new language? There's an app for that too. But have you ever thought about creating your own app? It might seem daunting, but it's a lot more achievable than you think. This isn't just about becoming the next tech millionaire, though wouldn't that be nice? Building an app teaches you valuable skills like problem solving, design thinking, and coding. These skills are in high demand across many industries. So whether you're a student, a professional looking for a career change, or just someone with a great idea, app development is a fantastic journey to embark on. Are you ready to dive in? Let's explore the exciting world of app creation. Before you write a single line of code, you need a solid plan. This is like building a house. You wouldn't start without a blueprint, right? The first step is to identify a problem you want to solve or a need you want to fulfill with your app. Who is your target audience? What specific features will your app offer? Once you have a clear vision, it's time to research. Are there similar apps already on the market? What do they do well? What could be improved? This analysis will help you differentiate your app and offer something unique. Remember, a well-defined plan is the foundation for a successful app. Now comes the fun part, designing how your app will look and feel. Imagine yourself as the user. What's the first thing you want to see when you open the app? How easy is it to navigate through different sections? Start by sketching out your ideas on paper. These are called wireframes, and they provide a basic visual structure of your app. Think about the layout, the flow between screens, and the placement of buttons and menus. The goal is to create an intuitive and enjoyable experience for your users. With your design in place, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start coding. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. There are many beginner-friendly programming languages and tools available. For example, if you're interested in building apps for Android, Java and Kotlin are popular choices. If you prefer Apple's iOS, Swift is the way to go. There are also visual development platforms that allow you to build apps using drag-and-drop interfaces, making the process even more accessible. Whichever path you choose, remember that practice makes perfect. Start with simple features and gradually work your way up to more complex functionalities. Section 5, testing, 1, 2, 3. You've built your app and well, it's looking good. But before you release it to the world, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Bugs are like those pesky little errors that can crash your app or make it behave unexpectedly. Testing helps you identify and fix these issues. Start by testing the app yourself. Go through every screen, tap every button, and try out all the features. Then invite friends, family, or potential users to become beta testers. Their feedback will provide valuable insights into how real users interact with your app and what improvements can be made. Section 6. Sharing your creation with the world. Your app is polished and bug-free, congratulations. Now it's time to share your creation with the world. If you've developed an Android app, you'll submit it to the Google Play Store. For iOS apps, it's the Apple App Store. Each platform has its own set of guidelines and requirements, so make sure you review them carefully. You'll need to create a developer account, prepare your app's listing, including a catchy description and screenshots, and set a price if you're charging for it. Once your app is approved, it will be available for download and you can start tracking its performance. Section 7. Keeping your app fresh and fantastic. Launching your app is a huge accomplishment, but the journey doesn't end there. To keep users engaged and attract new ones, you'll need to maintain and update your app regularly. This includes fixing any bugs that pop up, improving existing features based on user feedback, and adding new functionalities to keep your app fresh and exciting. Staying up to date with the latest technology trends and operating system updates is also crucial. By continuously investing in your app's growth and improvement, you can ensure its long-term success. Section 8. The sky's the limit. The world of app development is full of possibilities. With creativity, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you can turn your app idea into a reality. Whether you're building an app to solve a problem, entertain the masses, or simply express your creativity, the journey is incredibly rewarding. Remember, every successful app you see today started with a single line of code. So take that first step, embrace the learning process, and who knows, maybe your app will be the next big thing. Section 9. Time to unleash your inner app developer. So, what are you waiting for? The world is waiting for your unique ideas and creative solutions. Start small, dream big, and never stop learning. The power to create the future is literally at your fingertips. Go ahead, unleash your inner app developer and build something amazing.